Arizona is a state in the southwestern region of the United States, famous for its breathtaking natural landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the Grand Canyon to Sedona, there are so many incredible places to visit and explore in Arizona. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Number 15, Grand Canyon National Park. One of the 7 wonders of the world, the Grand Canyon is a must-see destination in Arizona. With its awe-inspiring vistas, hiking trails, and wildlife, it's no wonder millions of people visit this national park each year. Number 14. Sedona, known for its red rock formations, spiritual energy, and artistic community, Sedona is a unique and beautiful destination in Arizona. Explore its many hiking trails, art galleries, and restaurants. Number 13, Monument Valley. This iconic landscape is instantly recognizable with its towering red rock formations, made famous in many Western films. Take a guided tour to learn about the Navajo culture and history of the area. Number 12, Antelope Canyon. Located near Page, Arizona, Antelope Canyon is a slot canyon known for its stunning colors and unique formations. Take a guided tour to experience this natural wonder up close. Number 11, Horseshoe Bend. Another popular destination near Page, Horseshoe Bend offers a breathtaking view of the Colorado River as it curves around the canyon walls. Number 10, Lake Powell. With its clear blue waters and towering red rock formations, Lake Powell is a popular destination for boating, fishing, and water sports. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Number 9, Jerome. This historic mining town is now a quirky and charming destination with unique shops, restaurants, and galleries. Take a ghost tour to learn about its haunted past. Number 8, Bisbee. Another former mining town, Bisbee is now a colorful and eclectic destination with a vibrant art scene and unique architecture. Number 7, Tucson. The second largest city in Arizona, Tucson is a vibrant and culturally rich destination with a thriving food and arts scene. Number 6, Saguaro National Park. Located near Tucson, Saguaro National Park is home to the iconic Saguaro Ca. Tucson offers hiking trails and stunning views. Number 5. Phoenix, the capital city of Arizona. Phoenix is a bustling metropolis with world-class museums, restaurants, and shopping. Number 4. Scottsdale, located just outside of Phoenix, Scottsdale is known for its luxurious resorts, golf courses, and spa experiences. Number 3. Petrified Forest National Park. This unique national park features petrified wood, colorful badlands, and ancient petroglyphs. Number 2. Kaua'i National Historical Park. Learn about the rich history of the Southwest at this national park, which features a Spanish mission and ancient ruins. Number 1. Organ Pipe Cactus National Monument. Located near the Mexican border, this national monument is home to a unique desert landscape and rare cacti species. Well, that concludes our list of the 15 best places to visit in Arizona. Whether you're looking for natural wonders, cultural experiences, or just a relaxing getaway, Arizona has something for everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.